Guys, my name is Parveen Verma. I am going to launch my first video, and the title of the video is How to Improve in English. I would like to share my past happenings. How did I speak in English? I was not an English speaker, people, from my persona. I am from my family, and my family was not recognized to speak in English. When I was a kid, I started to speak in English from 6th standard, and like when I was 8 years student, and my teacher did not play a major role in English, and even no parents role. Even my parents were not known to speak in English. They speak in Hindi language, Hindi and English language, and they were saying that we can pay the cost of your tuition fees, we can pay the schooling, and we can say anything, but English is not cup for tea for them. It's like but I improved my English. How I did it, so I will speak, and I will tell you little by little, and it will means take a little time. It's 4 and 5 minutes video. You watch this video till the end. I'm telling about you as a kid. When I was a kid, I did not speak in English. Speaking is a matter of fact for me. I started to speak in English like I am speaking. I thought about how to speak and how to improve my English. There was no parents' role, but how? How did I speak like a better person that I am speaking? When I was about 8 years and 10 years, there was a teacher, Mr. Jayaprakash. He came in my life. He talked to me in English, but I was not understanding. But what I realized that how is he speaking, from where he came. I think that he came from America and from USA. But when I speak in Hindi with him, that point of time, he told me that I came from India, and the name of the poor village is, I don't recognize the name, and even I don't remember the name right now. But he was saying that English is a language that you can understand, you can speak, like a process. You have to indulge in that kind of process. So I approached him, but he was a teacher, so in that point of time we don't have tuition classes and spoken classes that we are already having this point of in this time, that he furnitured my English. He said that you are speaking means crackings and small slangish language, informal speaking I was having, and he improved my, first of all, the information, that I don't have much information. I was critical and in like endangered species, that species is endangered. So he was speaking that you are not a good speaker, but you can improve your English, because like I was 10 years, I was in a younger age. So speaking is a language, it's a process. So he told me, so it's a role of my teacher, he told me. And I bought some books. Rapidex Speaking English book, it was very famous book that particular time. Even you had read, and yeah, I guess you had read. Started speaking English with crackings. I was means having problems. I faced lot of mockery, and crackings mean lot of funny words I was speaking. But my teacher did not taunt me. He understood that it's a process. He will learn English, little words. If he will speak in English, he will recognize my name, and he will speak much better. That everybody started to mock over me. No, I was not a brilliant student, and it was a means major point, and it was I mean, it was harming me, you know that. But I was getting angry, but my parents told me that, but they speak in Hindi with me. They did not speak, and even they did not understand what I was learning, but I was determined, and I was means what do you think about the criticism that I faced lot of, and it was a very stuff and notions for me. I was learning, and I think before it doesn't mean that what I think about English. It was a turning point for my life. The teacher told me about that. And starting in English, you have to be very elaborate, you have to be very practical, you have to be very anxious, that why should we speak in English, what is the matter of fact. If I am growing my knowledge, how will I give myself. And lot of students are speaking myself. It's not a myself, it's that we are speaking our own language. And English is that typical that we can learn it, we can be very determined. Like me, I will post the other videos. Watch my other videos, I will subscribe. Okay.